The Google Doc add-on I decided to use is called Pixabay, free images, and this is a search engine that allows you to search images from the web that are free of copyright, which means that you can use them without giving credit to the artists in most cases. And this is just important for students to learn when it comes to searching images, because they can search for images on Google Image, but a lot of times they can't use those images technically for free. But if we teach them to use these search engines, and they are already finding images that don't have any issues related to copyright. And so it just means that they can use them in whatever setting, and it gets them into good habits for later in their school career when copyright is actually an issue. So it's really easy to use. Once you have downloaded it onto your Google Doc add-ons, you just go to Pixabay free image here, search images, and it just pulls up a little thing on a little search bar right on the side of your page, and you can just search for whatever image that you need. So since I'm going to be a dance teacher, I will just search dance, and it pulls up all of these images that are free to use. And so I will just select this one of the ballerina, and you just click on it to select it, and it puts it right into your document for you. So it's really easy to just put images right into your document, and you can be sure, and your students can be sure, that all of the images that they use are free of copyright issues.